Hello and good morning students. Once again, now using PPT, we can understand the physiography and drainage system of India as well as Brazil. But here, in this video, we only learn about physiography system of India's. So first of all, we understand about what do you mean by physiography. It means physical pattern of the earth. So let's start our chapter physiographic system of India. There are 5 physiographic division of India. One is Himalaya, then North Indian plains, then third the Indian peninsula, then coastal plains, here the coastal plain and the island group. So first, the number 1 PPT, here I show that the first part Himalaya. Look at this here. This is Himalaya part. Okay. Now let's understand about the detailed understanding or detailed information about Himalayas. So look at the students. First, Himalaya is extend from Jammu Kashmir to the Arunachal Pradesh east. We already learned that Himalaya is extend from North Jammu Kashmir to the east side Arunachal Pradesh. And also the second thing we already learned that it is the youngest full mountain in the world. And the second thing we already learned that there are various parallel ranges, and again it's a major mountain system of the Asian continent. We know that the India lies in Asian continent. Again, what we understand or know about in Himalaya, that in Himalaya there are many parallel ranges from south to north. Okay, so now first in the southern part the Shivalik range, then Lesser Himalayas, then Greater Himalayas, and last Trans Himalayas. Here I show you the mark Shivalik here in the south, then respectively Lesser आता है, then Greater Himalayas, and the last Trans Himalayas. The mountain ranges of Himalayas also divided into 3 parts. One, the west side, then central Himalayas in the middle, and the eastern Himalayas in the east side. So western Himalaya we call it Kashmir Himalaya also. In the central Himalaya we call it Kumun Himalaya, here the Kumun Himalaya. And the eastern side, eastern Himalaya, we also call it the Assam Himalayas. So just revise all the things. The Himalayas, it is one of the oldest pole mountain in the world. The second thing, it extends from Jammu Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Third thing, it is one of the major mountain system of the Asian continent, and many parallel ranges running, such as we already know that Shivalik, Lesser Himalayas, Greater Himalayas, and Trans Himalayas. Shivalik is the oldest young pole mountain. And then last thing, all the mountains divided into western part, central part, and eastern part. Western Himalayas, west side is, we'll call it Western Himalayas, Jammu Kashmir. Central Himalayas, it's a Kumun Himalaya also. and the eastern Himalaya we call it Assam Himalaya. I hope you understand all the things. So my dear student, I show you the video about Himalayas, how the Himalaya look. Okay, see this video. Now let's know about the second division, that is the North Indian Plains. Look at this map. Here the North Indian Plains. The North Indian Plains extend or lie between Himalaya in north to peninsula in south. Here peninsula and here Himalaya. Between Himalaya and peninsula, what we found here? The North Indian Plains. Okay. So look at this. Here I already mark it. This is North Indian Plains. ये similarly extend from Rajasthan and Punjab in the west to Punjab in the to Assam in the east. This is Assam. Second thing you will get information about, this is a flat low lying area and this is divided into two parts. एक हमें पता है इधर का east part and this is west part. So look at this. This is the location of Arauli mountain and the Arauli mountain. यहाँ जो है अरौली माउंटेन रिवर बेसिन ऑफ गंगा का है. इसे हम कहते हैं गंगा बेसिन अल्सो कहते हैं हम. So why we understand about Ganga plains? Because most of the West Bengal state and Bangladesh made delta, Ganga Brahmaputra delta. We call it the Sundarban. The second part of the North Indian plains, that is west side, the western part of North Indian plains, that is occupied by Thar desert. Here Thar desert. We call it also Marusali desert or the Great Indian desert also. Most of the Rajasthan is occupied by the desert, by this desert. To the north of desert, that is lies in north of Punjab here, and this region spread to west of Arauli. Here Arauli ranges, and this plain or this region has formed depositional work by river Satluj and their tributaries, its tributaries. The slope of the plains toward the west side, and because of its soil is very fertile, and what happened here, the agriculture is largely practiced in this region. Again, I shortly introduce all the things. So look at here. The North Indian Plains, it lies between Himalaya in north to Peninsula in south, extend from Rajasthan and Punjab in west to Assam in east. And also second thing, it's a flat low-lying area divided into two parts, east and west of Aravallis. Sundarban, a largest delta here found, occupied, and the North Indian Plains occupied by the Thar Desert. Okay.